Yo, what's good everyone? Today we got an insane unboxing with the Union Air Jordans, and we also got a giveaway, so stay tuned, check out the video. Welcome back to Tamster's Kicks. If you guys haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button for your boys, smash that like button as well. Today, like I said, we got a huge video. Been waiting to unbox this pair for you guys because this is one of the best Air Jordans to come out this year. In my opinion, I absolutely love it. Been super excited since the day that it came out. Now I'm gonna unbox it for you guys. And that's not it. Today we also have my first giveaway. I really want to give back to you guys, show some love, some support for you guys out there for everything you've done for me so far. And so I got a little something. Make sure to stay tuned till around the end of the video. I'm going to share the details, how you guys can all win, how you guys can all enter that. So stay tuned for that. But first, let's get into the shoe. Right here, we have one of the most fire, underrated Air Jordan collabs of the year. This is the Air Jordan 4 Union. This shoe goes absolutely crazy. As you can see, I honestly already opened it because I just could not wait. I think I'm gonna sit down though. As you guys know, I'm getting more into Supreme stuff, so I did actually cop the Supreme chair. I actually think it's kind of nice. It's a lot more cozy to sit on, so I'm super happy to get this in, put it in the studio room. I'm probably gonna get like a desk or something like that so I can put it up there, but for now, it's super sick. This is the best part. So working on getting a desk in here from IKEA, but they've been sold out for like a month, so you boys got this nice as is bar stool we're gonna use today for the shoes. Right here, guys, you guys don't understand how hype I am about this shoe. Like I said, this is the Union 4 Air Jordan collab. This is gonna be the Air Jordan 4, the Guava Ice pair. This pair is exclusive to Union LA's website, and it dropped a little bit ago. Retails at $250. I copped a size 11, and they're doing very, very good numbers right now. End of the video, I'll give you guys a nice resale predictions as well as investment options for the shoe. As you can see, prices are doing very well, and not just in the big sizes, all around the board. I think a lot of people's minds have been changed, their opinions have been changed about this shoe right here, but I actually really like these, so I'm happy to show you guys today. Let me know what you guys think about them in the comments down below. All right, so a little about Union and this Air Jordan collab. This is their sophomore album is what they call it. It's their second go with Air Jordan. First, they did have those two Air Jordan 1s that came out. Absolute crazy release. And those shoes are so amazing. Like I said, there are actually 4 shoes that came out in this sophomore album, second take with Air Jordan. You have this pair right here, which is the Union 4 Guava. Then you have the Union Air Jordan 4 Off Noir. You have the Delta Mid Off Noir as well. And then you have that Zoom 92 Guava. The Union 4 Off Noir and those 2 other shoes are actually going to release on the Nike Sneakers app on October 16th. So you're gonna have a second chance to cop those on there. This pair, this Guava pair, is exclusive, like I said, to the Jordan Union LA site. So these will not be coming out again. It's tough because they're a super nice pair, but basically all the stock was just on Union Jordan LA site for this drop. So I did hit on that early one right here. Won't release. And then the end of this month, September, there should be some releases with some Tire Zero shops as far as like SNS, things like that. But the Nike Sneakers app is probably gonna be your best bet if you're still trying to cop these from the Union Jordan collab. All right, enough of this. Time to get into the shoe. Now, when I first opened it, gosh, this box, just the box, like sells me on this shoe right here. This out, guys. Details that go into this collab were so good. The wrapping, oh my goodness. I think that's from Jordan winning the title right there. I gotta say, when I pulled these out, I haven't seen them in like a week now. I can't believe I hit on these. Check them out right there. I'm gonna bring these up close. You guys deserve to see this. Check this out. Look at the details all around the shoe right there. The hang tag as well. Just fire shoe right here. I'll show some B-roll as well right now, get into some of the materials as well. All right, as I get some nice close-up shots of the shoe, you can see the materials on the shoe is kind of a mix of suede and mesh all around the uppers of the shoe. I definitely love all the colors around the shoe, the different muted tones and different aesthetics of the shoe. Really stayed true to the Union collabs they did with the Jordan, but also give their own take with this sophomore album and their different spin on the Jordan 4. One crazy detail is on the tongue. This is my favorite part of the shoe, honestly. You can see the Air Jordan stitch right there, but also that yellow stitching can be unstitched and the tongue can be folded up so it can be the normal length of the Air Jordan 4s. Two other differences that differ from the older OG Air Jordan 4 models has to do with the panels. You can see that there's that reddish pink towards the upper top panel that splits off from the mesh, so that kind of gives it a different contrast, as well as down on the toe. Usually it's just one uniform panel that goes down with the same material, but they did split it again, and this was done to create a nice balance of mesh and suede throughout the shoe. And then come on, another fire part of the shoe, I love that yellowed outsole. Gives it such a nice vintage vibe and that antique look to the shoe. Such a good finish on this Air Jordan 4. Now, like I mentioned, the tongue right here is stitched because the main man, Chris, who actually helped design these shoes, actually used to do this with his OG Air Jordan 4s. He would tie the laces so that tongue would fold down. And so this is just a nice detail that he wanted to add to the shoe to kind of make it their own. And that's such a sick take on the shoe. I think at first people were kind of like, that's freaking weird. But now I think they've grown on a lot of people and it's reflected in the resale prices. For example, you can see those fragment Jordan 3s. Those things just tanked. And these ones, they went down a little like most shoes do, but they're skyrocketing up. I think the Union collab really helped them. And I think they did a very nice job. All right, resale predictions and a nice investment guide for the Union Jordan 4 Guavas. This pair retailed at $250, higher retail, but it is a Jordan shoe. And this is an amazing shoe, guys. If you have not got a pair, your time may be running out. We saw them dip around the 800-900s after release. People started getting their pairs in. But now as people realize that this shoe was an exclusive to the Union Jordan LA website, those that want them are willing to pay that price, and it's reflected because the prices have already gone up over 1,000 again in a lot of sizes, especially this size. Of course, I've been monitoring this size because this is the one I got. But it definitely dropped to about $850, and all of a sudden it just went right back up. It's over 1,000 right now. So if you guys want to snatch a pair, I would definitely do that ASAP Rocky. If you don't need capital, of course, it always comes down to if you need capital, but this is going to be a very nice return. I don't think they'll go as high as the Air Jordan 1s, but it's a very nice shoe, and I think they're just going to keep going up. All right, guys, moment you've all been waiting for. It's time to announce the giveaway. Like I said, I've been wanting to do this for a while, but I do want to give back a little bit, and I have so much stuff to give away. So this is not going to be the only giveaway, but just to show you guys, like, I got so many stuff. Like, we got biohacks, we got some Jordan lows, we got the new dunks, even the Medicom dunks right here. Guys, I even got little baby toddler shoes. I have so much. Cactus Jack trail shorts finally came in after 5 months. Could be giving those away. Antisocial Social Club shirt. Got another Antisocial Social Club shirt. And we got a new Supreme Verified Captcha tee right there. Guys, I had Supreme rubber gloves. Like, who would not want to win these? All you gotta do is one, you gotta subscribe to the YouTube channel, become a part of Tamster's Kicks. You guys gotta check out my Instagram, give my Instagram a follow, as well as the shoe page Instagram. Both of those will be linked in the bio, so make sure to hit those. And then on this YouTube video, just comment when you're done, and make sure to let me know what your favorite shoe is of all time. All you guys have to do is those things, and you'll be entered into the giveaway. Again, thank you guys so much for all your support. Make sure to stick around, subscribe, leave a like on the video, and I'll let you guys know when that giveaway ends. It's going to be about 2 weeks, so guys, get your entry in. We'll see you guys next time.